Hi guys, it's Modesty. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. How are you guys? And hello 2019. I cannot believe it is 2019. Like, that's legit crazy to me. I've had like the craziest year. And it's hard to explain. I'm gonna get in detail, but first let me just jump into what this video is. So being a new year, we all have New Year's resolutions or goals or whatever. And one of my goals was self-care, which is something I have not been good at ever since I had kids. I don't have an established morning routine or night routine that involves any sense of like self-care towards myself. Yes, of course I do the standard, like I brush my teeth, duh. But I mean, I will sometimes be in PJs all day, and if I just don't have time in the sense of like, my husband, so I can't just like go shower during the day because, you know, my kids will get in things, so I have to wait till my husband's home, and his schedule's weird that I can't shower. Generally I shower every day. Sometimes it can be like every other day, depending on like if my husband's really busy. But this year, my goal is to establish a morning and night routine, and because I really want to focus on self-care, because when you're a mom you tend to lose yourself a lot, and you don't want to do that. So the reason that this video is, the reason this makeup look is going to be all about self-care is because I've established a makeup look that I know that I can do. It won't take me very long, and it kind of just makes me look a little bit more professional, kind of just gets me ready for the day, and I want to share it with you guys. So I'm going to call it like the ultimate mom look. But yeah, it's not super glamorous. It's a very minimal, like literally minimal products, you guys. So I just want to share with you guys. So if you like to see a very natural, easy, everyday 5-10 minute makeup look, then let's just get started. I have zoomed you guys in, and I moisturized my face this morning, but I'm gonna go with my pre-makeup moisturizer. This is the MAC Delightful Marine Bright formula. It has SPF 30. The reason I like this is because in Hawaii you always have SPF on. A lot of people, especially people who grew up here, don't always have the best skin because, they're like, oh, it's always sunny, and they just don't wear SPF. But I'm trying to get better about that because I don't have an established skincare routine, nothing anymore. I've really kind of lost myself. And this past year, because I'm just so focused on everybody else, and it just is not good. Then I'm gonna go in with some primer. This is just the Guerlain one. I really like it, but I probably won't ever repurchase it just because, it's expensive, and the only reason I got it is because they had like that VIB whatever, and I had a gift card, so I was like, why not? I can't even like pinpoint what I like about this primer. It's just one of those ones where I just like my makeup so much better when I use it. Now I'm gonna go right into some foundation. But this is the Cover FX Natural Finish Oil-Free Foundation in N25. The reason I'm using this one is because I'm very fair right now, and it's like the only one that like pretty much matches me. So yeah, because I've not been going outside. And I'm gonna take a little bit of the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Soft Light liquid illuminator, and I'm gonna mix it in there. Generally I'll just use like a powder foundation, but to be honest I can't find mine. I was looking for it before this video, so I was like, oh no. So it's okay, we'll just use this one. And I'm just gonna take a foundation brush and stipple it into my skin. Yeah, so generally I would do even less coverage than this. It's just, like I said, I can't find my thingy-majigger anywhere. But if you were curious, my favorite powder foundation is the one from Makeup Forever, the Pro Finish. I hope they didn't discontinue it, but because I know that they were like getting rid of some shades and stuff, and I'm thinking it's because they were going to discontinue it. I'm hoping that's not the case though, because it's literally like a life. It's so good. Because it's a natural finish foundation. Like, it just looks so healthy, and it gives, good coverage, but not too much coverage. I don't know, it's been a long time favorite of mine. But I just like having that healthy kind of look, so that's why I put the liquid foundation in. And I'm just going to take a damp sponge with no product on it and just push it all into my skin. Nice, healthy, like literally it looks like my skin right now, I can easily wear this right now and my husband would have no idea that I'm wearing makeup. So yeah, I love this foundation, guys. It's so good. So good. Okay, I am going to use concealer because I haven't been getting good sleep. I don't want to do too much though. This is just the Born This Way one. Everyone loves it. I'm trying to like it. Like I don't hate it. It's just I'm not obsessed with it. But then again, I haven't worn makeup in so the last video I uploaded, that's like the last time I think I wore makeup. Well, besides a few days ago actually. So yeah, I haven't used this concealer though in months. So we'll see if I like it now. Okay, so I am so freaking excited because we officially can live normal lives. My husband got switched to Monday through Friday. So we have a very normal schedule. My kids are in school 3 days a week now. I can film literally every single weekend and I don't have to film during the week, so I don't have to take time away from my kids. It's gonna be really, really nice. So now that we have a sense of normalcy, then it's all gonna be great. All right. Time to set. I'm just taking the Veil, the translucent setting powder, the Veil one from Hourglass, and I'm just going to take a little bit on the sponge. You really want to push it in, you guys. Like, you kind of want to use a little bit of force because you really want everything to sink into your, like, look how seamless that looked. And then I'm going to go ahead and get some more, and I'm going to use the fatter end of my sponge now that I've done my under eyes, and I'm going to set my face like this. I like using a sponge to set my powder because then it pushes it into the skin instead of it just sitting on top. So that's just a tip. If you've always been scared to like use a damp sponge for powder, don't be scared. Like, it makes a world of a difference. Like, I don't have powder, like, it's just such an amazing, you know, technique that has surfaced in the past few years, and I'm just so happy with it. Like I said, this is like so simple, you guys. I don't have any eyeshadow in front of me. I just have a contour palette, and that's what we're using today. So I'm just going to take, this is just a bronzing brush right here, and I'm going to go in to the center one right here and the one over here. And just bringing some color back to my skin. I don't want to like chisel my cheeks out or anything like that. I just want to bring that natural definition back that the foundation took away, because that's basically what you do. You want to create a blank canvas. So you prime to prep, and then you go in with like your foundation to kind of give yourself a blank canvas to like cancel anything out. And then when you go in like with your bronzer and your blush, that's really just to bring everything back to, but this time it's just sitting on like an even skin tone instead of uneven skin tone. So if you've ever been curious why there's so many steps and like, you know, why people use foundation, oh, that's why. You want to start with a blank canvas. Literally, boom, that's it. And then I'm going to now move on to the eyes, which I'm just going to take a little bit of just whatever is on my brush. I'm probably going to take a little bit of concealer, I think, just as an eyeshadow primer. And go ahead and put it on my eyes. I'm just using that sponge again. Sorry, my camera just like shut off on me all of a sudden. Okay, so all I did was set my eyes up here. Now I'm going to be going into the contour palette. Just going to take a fluffy brush. This is the Sigma E40. It'll literally been my ride or die brush for 7 years now, so it's good. I'm going to go in with those, I'm going to start out with this one right here and then go in this one. Get right up here in the crease. Excuse my untamed eyebrows. I don't have issues with my eyebrows. I know I should start just getting them waxed regularly, but, you know, that costs money every time I gotta do that, and I don't got time to just sit there and tweeze. So I'll do it eventually, but for now, we're just gonna be rocking my natural brows. And I'm just going to bring that contour shade like literally all over. I just don't want to have like literally cancel out eyes and have nothing there. Gonna go into this darker shade right here. And the reason I like using contour shades for this kind of thing is they are a lot less pigmented than eyeshadows. So they give a softer look, more natural. It just kind of brings a little bit of color back to my lids. It just looks so incredibly natural. I love using contour shades on for eyeshadow on days like this when I just want to look put together. Last little bit, I'm just taking, this is the Sigma Buff and Blend, the E39. This is like a hidden gem of a brush. I use this for nose contour, I use this to pack on shade, I use this as like an all over blending thing for the eyes. I'm not pulling, by the way, because I have loose lid skin, if I just go like this, it moves. So I'm just holding it in place, so I'm not tugging on it though. Oh, the joys of having my eyeballs. They suck! So what is on my agenda today? Today I have to work more on my vision board, goals board, whatever. I set it up over there. I'll probably show you more about that on my vlog channel. By the way, link below. Now that I'm vlogging again, y'all haven't seen it because I haven't uploaded it, but I've been vlogging. I have been vlogging. So you guys will see all that. I'm going back in with the middle contour shade. I'm putting a little bit more effort into this just for the video, just because I also want to like get back into like doing makeup. Like I've been doing makeup on other people, but not myself. Round off the eyes, just fluffy brush, contour shade, round it off. And that is it. I'm gonna go back with the E40 one more time. Go like this. Take that center highlighting shade again, finger, just to brighten it up, to like make me see the difference what I just did. Literally just tapping on a little bit of that right there really like opened me up. A little bit teeny tiny precision brush, darkest shade in a contour kit. Just to further define the outer part. I swear this doesn't take very long when I'm not filming. I'm just gonna comb through my brows really quickly. I'm mostly gonna skip them. I'm just gonna take a little bit of just like a brown that somewhat matches and just slightly make it a little bit more defined, but I'm not gonna go in with like a brow product or anything. I'm just not in the mood for it. And then last but not least for that part, just some brow gel. And it did look a little bit messy, that's okay, because you know what, I'm rocking my natural brow and I tend to have thick brows. And I'm okay with that. Go ahead, I'm just going to take this is a very lightweight, I'm going to just call it a lightweight highlighter. Like it's not super just like bing, blinding. Just to bring a little bit of life to my cheeks. Pop on some mascara. Alright you guys, so last but not least is just a little lip color, and I like this look because you can literally do whatever lip color you want. You want to amp it up, do a red, do a nude, whichever. This is just the Essence lip liner in satin mauve. Lip color, I'm going to take Truffle Tease from Maybelline. What you can do is just do some setting spray. Really, that is it. It's so quick and easy. Especially when you're not sitting there explaining what you're doing, you could just super quick. And I did do a little bit extra compared to what I usually do. But yeah, I'm so happy with just having an everyday look that helps teach me self-care. This is something I can do quick and easy even with my kids around. And I love it so much. So I really hope you guys enjoyed it. And I felt like I'd rather bring in the new year with a video like this, you know, just something about self-care and a way to show self-care for yourself. you know, in the sense of just hygiene and beauty and things like that. So if you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a big old thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you do that. I will be uploading on Mondays and Thursdays for now, and make sure you head on over to my vlog channel, subscribe to that. I have a few, you know, lifestyle videos coming to you guys. I'm filming one of them later today when my husband wakes up. Thank you guys so much, and I hope that you guys have a wonderful 2019, and make sure to let me know in the comments of one of your New Year's resolutions, or more if you want. I will go ahead and leave my New Year's resolutions for you guys in the description box, so check that out. But yeah, I love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Mwah! Goodbye.